Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Build with UK, your go-to channel for all things programming. In today's video, we're going to dive into a crucial concept, decision-making in programming. If you've ever wondered how a program makes choices, stick around because we'll break it all down for you. Previously, we had talked about variables and loop structures. In case you want a refresher, click the balloon on the top. Now let's move to the next section. Go. In programming, decision-making is how we control the flow of a program based on certain conditions. Think about it like this: just as we make decisions in our daily lives, like choosing what to eat or whether to bring an umbrella, programs also need to make decisions. And they do that using conditional statements. The building blocks of decision-making are conditional statements like if, else if, and else. These statements allow the program to decide which block of code to execute based on conditions. As you can see here, the program checks if the condition age greater than equals 18 is true. If it is, the message "you are an adult" is printed. If not, the program prints "you are a minor." In the previous section, we saw that the program is checking conditions for decision-making. But how do we create these conditions? We use relational operators like greater than, less than, or equal to, and logical operators like and or. These operators help us compare values and combine conditions. In this example, both conditions need to be true for access granted to be printed. So, if you're 18 or older and a member, you get access. Point to note is that no matter which programming language you are working with, the CPU will execute the conditional code only if the condition is true. Sometimes, you need to check multiple conditions inside one another. This is where nested if statements come in handy. This program first checks if the score is 90 or above, and if not, it goes down the line and checks if it's at least 80. If neither condition is met, it defaults to a C grade. If you have several conditions to check, you can use an else-if ladder, which is more readable than stacking multiple nested if statements. In this example, the program checks the value of the day variable. If it's Monday, it prints start of the week. And so on. This approach is clean and easy to understand. In some languages, you might use a switch case statement instead of multiple if-else conditions. It's often more efficient and works similarly to an else-if ladder. Python language does not support the switch statement at the time of creating this video. As you can see here, switch case makes it easy to handle multiple possible outcomes for a variable, especially when dealing with a fixed set of values. Now, let's talk about the ternary operator. It's shorthand for if-else and is commonly used when you have simple conditions. This one-liner checks if age greater than equals 18. If it's true, it assigns adult to message, otherwise, it assigns minor. It's a neat and concise way to write simple conditions. That's it for today's video on decision-making in programming. We've covered if-else statements, nested ifs, else-if ladders, switch case, and even the ternary operator. Understanding these concepts is crucial to controlling the flow of your programs and building more complex logic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Build with UK for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.